welcome you all in all languages. Myself Kanishka Arora. So today we are going to learn about some basic greetings in Spanish. So in the last class you have learned 6 basic rules in Spanish. So now today we will learn some basic greetings in Spanish. So let's start. So greetings in Espanol is los saludos. Los saludos. So the first greeting you have learned hola. Hola. You have learned this greeting already. That means hello. Hola, hello. Now how will I say good morning in Spanish? That is buenos días. Buenos días. Buenos días. That is good morning. Then good afternoon is buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Last one. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Good night. Here, more saludos. Encantado. That means nice to meet you. Encantada. That again means nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. Again, that means nice to meet you. Encantado. That is used by a masculine. It's and with the O, so it will be used by a masculine, and this will be used by a feminine. So O is for masculine, A is for the feminine. For example, if I'm a girl and I'm going to say you nice to meet you, I will use encantada. Encantada. And in reply you can say me mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. It's like pleasure is mine. Now the another one. How to say sorry in Spanish? Lo siento. That means I'm sorry. Lo siento. This means nice to meet you. This means fine, and this can be used by a masculine, this can be used by a feminine. It's a mutual term. And this lo siento, that means I'm sorry. Your name in Spanish. Telling name. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas means what's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te? Double L is pronounced like a ya. So llamas. ¿Cómo se llamas? Now what is the difference between ¿cómo te llamas or ¿cómo se llama? ¿Cómo te llamas is informal. It's informal, and this one is formal. And how will you reply this? Yo me llamo, then your name. This is also yo me llamo, then your name. For example, you are talking to your friends, you can use this one question, but when you are talking to your elders, you use ¿Cómo se llama? आपका नाम क्या है? This is more like, and this is तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? So you will reply yo me llamo, then your name. I'm writing my name. Yo me llamo Kanishka. Yo me llamo Kanishka. So the both answer will be same. This is more like a formal one. This is like a informal one. Now coming on some basic numbers. So los números means the numbers. Cero means 0. Cero. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, 9, 10. then I'm gonna attach a quiz link, so you can do one thing, you can play that quiz and I will get to know whether you understood or not. So till then, bye bye, adios, see you later in the next lesson.